Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the StepAhead face mask. So let's first take a look around the outside of the packet. So in this packet is a StepAhead reusable face mask. It is a triple layer face mask and it's available in three colours: black, pink and white. And now let's go ahead and open up the packet. But of course, peeling apart the flap that's keeping the packet closed. And sliding the contents out from the packet. So setting the face mask down and just taking a closer up look at the product features and specifications of this face mask. So it is a triple layer face mask with a nanomesh middle layer, and it also has a fluid repellent outer layer, which is a blend of polyester and cotton. So 65% polyester and 35% cotton on the external or outer layer. And the inner two layers are polyester. Now setting that on the right hand side of the frame. Now putting the face mask in the middle so you have a nice clear view before I start handling it. So right there you can see the StepAhead branding on the face mask. So now taking a close-up look and of course opening up the face mask to give you a better idea of what the face mask looks like and the overall shape and size of the face mask. So as I mentioned, it comes in three colours: black, pink and white. And this is the black one. So taking a look around the face mask right there. So you can see it does have two ear loop straps on the ends. And let's take a close-up look at the straps or loops. So you can see it is quite elastic and stretchy. Right there, just pulling or tugging on that strap and giving you a closer up look as to the overall construction and stitching of this face mask, and of course the fabric as well. So you can see it has a very flat fabric texture. And taking a look at the other aspects of the face mask, so you can see the stitching as well around the edges of the face mask. And then the ear loop strap as well, just giving you a close-up look right there. So very elastic and stretchy, as you can see right there. Just taking a look on the inside of the face masks. So you can see the textile or fabric on the inside layer. So this is the inner layer. And you can see that it is nice and soft and made from polyester. So the middle layer and this layer on the inside or inner side of the face mask are made of polyester. And just giving you a close-up look as I run my thumb across that fabric, so you can see right there the material up close and the stitching as well. And with the external layer right here, this is a 65% and 35% external or outer layer, which is fluid repellent. So this is a reusable and washable face mask. So right there, giving you a nice all-round look at this StepAhead reusable face mask. Just going to try and puff it up to give you a better sense of the shape of this face mask as best I can. And of course on the inside as well. It's right there. And giving you a closer up look. And of course the side profile as well. It's right there, giving you a thorough and detailed look at this face mask. So that's the StepAhead reusable face mask. Thanks for watching and happy covering!